Hello boys and girls, this is CM Mohit Agarwal here. Important announcement coming from ICAI regarding syllabus update. On 15th of July 2020, ICAI has come out with a notification regarding the syllabus update. Let us see what it is. Let us see. I am going to talk about specifically about my two subjects, law and audit. AISSM does not have any amendment. So I am going to specifically talk about law and audit. देखो भाई, ये notification you will be finding on ICAI's website also. Let me just make it very clear that whether you are going to appear in May 20 and now it has been shifted to November 20 cycle, or primarily only you are going to appear for November 20, whatever the case may be, all the amendments shall be applicable as if you are a November 20 student, and the amendments till 30th of April 2020, whatever amendments have come in the company law till 30th of April 2020, those amendments shall be applicable on you. All notifications, circulars by Ministry of Corporate Affairs, legislative amendments till 30th of April. Look, this is a date. This is our paper, Corporate and Other Law. All the rules, notification, circular, clarification order issued by MCA up to 30th of April are applicable for November 2020 examination. It does not matter whether you are primarily going to appear for November 20 or primarily you are going to appear for May 20, now shifted to November 20. Whatever amendments are there till 30th of April, those amendments shall be applicable. Now what happens is that lot of amendments have come after 30th of April also. You do not have to do those amendments. Get it very straight. Whatever amendments and circulars are there till 30th of April, those amendments and circulars notification you have to keep yourself updated. I'll be making one separate amendment video very soon, which will cover every amendment in each and every corner of the company law, whether it is notification, circular, section, rules. Okay, one separate amendment video I'll be releasing for you very soon. That one separate amendment video will be more than enough to cover all your amendments. Now, whatever inclusion and exclusion they have mentioned, it is nothing new. It was there previously also. So, what is new? That amendments till 30th of April is applicable, and this inclusion, exclusion are nothing new. They were previously also, and we have taught according to this inclusion and exclusion itself. Anything other in law that we find? Yes. What happens is in NI Act, the case studies, the new case laws may come in. So, for that again a separate video will be posted for you. Okay, and in audit, CARO 2016 is itself applicable. CARO 2020 is not applicable. The reason being CARO 2020 has not been notified in India also. So, CARO 2020 was released, but because of COVID crisis, the authorities had not notified CARO 2020. So, actually CARO 2020 was supposed to be applicable from this financial year itself, okay, but because of the COVID crisis, the auditors were told not to report as per CARO 2020, but to report as per CARO 2016. And ICAI has also clarified its stand for students that CARO 2016 is itself applicable. Okay, so in audit, here we go. This is your audit syllabus. These are the applicable standards, nothing new. Previously also these standards were applicable. 27, as I have already told you in my classes. CARO 2016, which was issued by MC 29 March 2016, is applicable for November 20 exam. So, CARO 2020 is not applicable. You have to study CARO 2016 only. I had clarified it earlier also, the reason, and now Institute has also made it very clear. And this is the list of excluded standards. This is a list of excluded standards. Previously also these were excluded, and Institute has just reconfirmed that yes, these are the excluded standards and guidance notes that you don't have to study directly. Okay. So, this is the latest update of the syllabus, and do subscribe the channel and stay tuned, because all the amendments will be given to you, and trust me, lot of amendments videos you will find, but trust me, the way you will be finding the amendment videos in this platform, it is uncomparable. I bet you that. Chalo, stay connected. Lots of love. Take care. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.